we are learning these days how to change direct speech into indirect form of speech, and this will help us in conversational as well as in spoken English. Today we are going to learn about optative sentence and exclamatory sentences, how to change the sentences into indirect form of speech. We have learned how to change assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence. Today we shall learn how to change the operative sentences into indirect form of speech. Optative sentence. This type of sentence begins with may, to express wish or pray to God. And the sentence ends with exclamation mark. Okay. Second, that conjunction is used third, according to sense, reporting verbs are wish, pray, bless, curse, etc. Number 4, following the general rules, verb is placed after the subject and indirect speech ends with full stop. Full stop. Now take some examples. he said, may the king live long. How we have to identify the optative sentence? First, it begins with may and the sentence ends with exclamatory mark. Reporting verbs are used according to sense, either wish, pray, bless, curse. In this sentence, we find wish, that the king should live long. Okay? Wish. So, reporting verb will be wished. Okay? If present tense, then wish. Past tense, then wished. He wished that. We know that this conjunction is used. That. First subject, we have to follow the general rules. Verb is placed after the subject. What is the subject? The king. That the king may will be changed into might because reporting verb is in past tense. The king may will be changed into might. Live long. Mark of exclamation will be changed into full stop because operative sentence will be changed into assertive sentence. This is the general rule. You may think that live is V1, this should be changed into V2. But here V1 will not be changed into V2. Why? Because this is modal verb. And after modal verb, V1 is only used. Okay, this is how you understood. Second example. They said, may God make us happy. Mark of exclamation. Here we find the word God. It means we are praying to God. Sometimes wish, if in the reported speech. What is reported speech? Which remains within inverted comma. If within inverted comma or in reported speech God word is found, then reporting verb will be prayed, not wished. They prayed. Conjunction will be that. First subject. May will be changed into might. Might is modal verb, so V1, it will not be changed into V2. Here try to understand. Person change, verb change. Here verb is not changed because this verb has come after modal verb. This will be changed. Yes. As first person. Objective case of we. So as first person changes according to subject. They. But this is the objective form. objective case, object of we. So they will be changed into object. What is objective of they? Them. Okay. Take some more examples. People said, may PM Modi hold his office for a few years more. Mark of exclamation. This is the sign of operative sentence. May and mark of exclamation. Now here people wished here we find wish. People wished that her subject PM Modi may will be changed into might hold V1 because after modal verb V1 third person no change in the same form. His office for a few years more. Next example. I said to him, may you have a son. Here we find blessing. So reporting verb will be bless if present tense. Past tense, then blessed. I blessed him that. Use second person according to object. Object is him, but it will be changed into subjective form. He, because after conjunction, subject is used. He may will be changed into might. Have will not be changed to had because this is modal verb. And after modal verb, V1 is used. So we have learnt when to use wish, when to use bless, when to use pray. When in the reported speech we find the word God. Now take one more example when we find curse. The neighbor said to Sohan, may you not see the next sunrise. Mark of exclamation. This is specialty of a optative sentence. Here we find what? Curse. In optative sentence, we generally find what? Wish. Wish is of two types, good wish or bad wish. If good wish, then wished. Bad wish, cursed. If present tense, then curse. Past tense, cursed. The neighbor cursed. Not to, okay. Cursed Sohan. That conjunction that will be used. First subject, then verb. Use second person according to object. Object Sohan, so he. May will be changed into might. Not. She will not be changed into V2 because this is modal verb. Modal verb, after modal verb, only V1 is used. That he might not see the next sunrise. Okay. Now I will rub it out if take the screenshot. Okay. Now let's take the sentences of exclamatory. Now I am starting the exclamatory sentence. This type of sentence begins with interjectional word. Followed by exclamation mark. First thing. Second thing, that conjunction is used third according to sense. Reporting verbs are exclaim with joy. If past tense, then exclaim. Sudden feeling of heart. That's why the reporting verb exclaim is used. If you find joy in the sentence, exclaim with joy. Exclaim with sorrow. Exclaim with surprise. Exclaim with contempt. Contempt means hate. Exclaim with contempt or exclaim with applause. If we have to praise anyone, in that case we use reporting verb exclaim with applause. If you find hate, then exclaim with contempt, and this you can easily understand. Take some examples. Kohli said. You know that this type of sentence begins with interjectional word. And this interjectional word is deleted when we change into indirect form of speech. Kohli said, "Hurrah!" This is interjectional word. This will be deleted when we change into indirect form of speech, and exclamation mark will be also deleted. We have won the match. We have noticed that in both the sentences, either they are exclamatory sentences or optative sentences, we find the exclamation mark. In optative sentence, exclamation mark is used at the end of the sentence. But in exclamatory sentence, we find after interjectional word. And this interjectional word, alas, oh, well done, these are what? Deleted. Here we find what? Joy. Kohli exclaimed. This is past tense. If present, then exclaim. If past, exclaimed. With joy, and this interjectional word will be deleted with exclamation mark. Okay. Conjunction that will be used. What are changed? Person and verb. Yes, person. First person according to subject. Kohli. Kohli is he. We plural. What is plural of he? They. Understand? I am repeating once more. First person changes according to subject. Subject Kohli, it means he. We plural, and what is plural of he? They. This time we are following the general rules. In all the sentences, at the end we follow general rules as well as special rules. They have will be changed into had won the match. Notice here, this is present perfect. We have won, has a victory, and this is changed into past perfect. This is general rules. Okay. Take another example. The hunter said, oh, this is the interjectional word. I have missed the tiger. He could not shoot the tiger. So what sense we notice here? What? Sorrow. Yes. The hunter exclaimed with sorrow. Conjunction that I will be changed according to first person hunter. He have will be changed to had missed the tiger. Let's take some more examples. Take the screenshot. Next example. My friend said, what a beautiful scene it is. Sometimes we find the interjectional word in the beginning of sentence, but when we find what or how, in that case mark of exclamation is found at the end of sentence. In which case when what or how is used. Okay, but the exclamation mark must be in the exclamatory sentence. Here we find what? Surprise. My friend exclaimed with surprise that, yes, now you have to understand very intently, very sincerely. Okay, what will be deleted, and in place of what either great or very will be used. When great? When after what any noun is used. Here we find that after what adjective is used. So if adjective is used after what, then what will be changed into very. Okay? And if any noun is used after what, then what will be changed into great. This is the rule. Try to listen very sincerely. We surprise that. Now first subject. After that we use subject. It is will be changed to was, and what will be changed to very, because after what is beautiful adjective. Okay, it was a, what will be changed to very, because after what adjective word is used. It was a very beautiful scene. Let's take one example. The noun followed by what. After what, if noun, then what will be changed into great. He said, "What a fool I am." No interjectional word. Why? Because what or how is used. So we find exclamation mark at the end of sentence. Here we find what? Sorrow. He exclaimed with sorrow that. Now first subject. After that, subject is used. I first person according to subject. He. Am present will be changed into past. Why? Because reporting verb is in past. He was a. Now what will be changed into great? Why? Because after what? Noun is used. So in this case, what will be changed into great? He was a great fool. Next sentence. He said to me, "Phi." Phi means chi. Here we find what? Hate. And if we find hate, then exclaimed with contempt. He said to me, "Phi, you have cheated me." Here interjectional word is used first, so here exclamation mark, not at the end of sentence. He exclaimed with contempt, means hate. If one friend cheats another friend, this is what? Hate. Oh, you have cheated me. He exclaimed with contempt that interjectional word will be deleted. Use second person according to object. Object is me. So after the conjunction, subject will be used. What is subject of me? I. Have will be changed to had. Past. Cheated. Me first person according to subject. He. This is in object form. What is object of he? What is object? Him. You have prepared the chart. You will once again revise the chart. You have cheated him. First person according to subject. He. This is in object form. What is object of he? Him. Okay. Now take one more example. The captain said, "Well done." This is also interjectional word. This will be deleted. A grand, after exclamation mark, capital letter starts. A grand performance. Here you notice no subject. If any sentence we find without subject, then you have to give the suitable subject, it or this. Let's see. The captain exclaimed. Here we find what? Praise. So in the case of praise, we will use exclaim with applause. Applause means praise. The captain exclaimed with applause. Conjunction that. Subject is missing. So we will think that it is a grand performance. It is. So after conjunction, first word subject, it is hidden. So it is hidden. So it is will be changed into was. A grand performance. So every type of sentence we have noticed. When what is used, then adjective. After what, noun. Exclaim with joy. Sorrow, without any subject, hidden subject. Every type of sentence we have used, and you will revise the lesson. Now I am giving you HW. Okay. I am giving you HW. My father said to me, may you get success. This is operative sentence. Begins with may and end with exclamation mark. You will keep in mind. They said, may God save our Prime Minister. Third, this is also optative sentence. He said, alas. Interjectional word, it means exclamative sentence. I am ruined. Number 4. The minister said, what a sweet song. No any interjectional word. So here there will be exclamation mark. Notice one thing. After what, adjective word is used and subject is hidden. Okay, you will supply the suitable subject. He said. The night is. This is also exclamatory sentence because what? How? After what? If any adjective is used, then what will be changed into what? Very. And after how any adjective is used, then how will be changed into very. After how, if noun, then how will be changed to great. Okay. And after what, if any noun is used, what will be changed to great. So after what or how, if any noun word is used, then what or how are deleted, and in place of them great word is used. Okay, this is the homework. All the best. I think you will complete the homework because you have well understood. If you have any problem, you will ask me the next day. Okay, thanks.